In this video, we're going to show you how to add a user, either a supervisor level or a regular user, to a Flexline advanced touchpad. And it's the same for advanced wireless, it's the same interface. So first I'll show you that I have a prox card that is not in the system. And there's another pin that I would like to add, 4 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, is also not in the system. So how do we go about adding a user or supervisor to the system? First, you hit the menu key, and then you log in with a valid supervisor. So we'll use our default, that's 1350. And we get the first thing on the list is the credential menu. So we can either hit enter or the next select. It says add credential. We'll hit next select. So first I'll add the prox card, so I simply scan it. It asks me what type of either user or supervisor, so I can toggle back and forth using the plus minus button between user and supervisor. So in this case, I'll leave it as a user, hit enter, and then it asks me for a name. So the keypad is the same as what you have on a telephone. So I'm gonna make this one demo. So it happens to be 3 and then a multi-press to get my E, and then I'm using 6 to get the M and O as well. So it works the same as a telephone keypad. I entered a name, and now it's stored. Now I can also keep going and add credentials, which I'll do now. I hit add credential, and this time I'm going to do a pin. So I'm going to do my 4 5s, enter. Now this time I want to make it a supervisor level. And I'll just make up a name here, just make it A, doesn't matter. We can always edit that. So now I'm done, and I stored my supervisor, pin, and my card that's a regular user. So now I'm just going to hit clear until I back out. And let's try those numbers I just entered. So 4 5s. It is now supervisor. And a relock. And then my demo card is a regular user. So very quickly I was able to add a card as a user and a pin as a supervisor.